Water on my face, salt still on my skin. Breathing like the waves, rushing back again. Hey! I've been running in circles, feet stuck in the sand. Now the tide hits my anchors, lifts them out of my hands. Cool spray on my heartbeat, washes out the stress. Every drop on my shoulder feels like a second chance. Like a waterfall, I'm falling into freedom, crashing through the noise in my head. Clear blue sky, I'm finally gonna see it. All this heavy turns to light instead. I feel the rush, rush, rushing in my chest. Every breath, breath, better than the last. Like a waterfall, I'm falling into freedom. I'm coming back, I'm coming back. Phone lines on the shoreline, draw a brand new start. Sunrise and the ripples, painted stripes on my heart.